Good morning students. Today I am going to start with the 26th example. There is nothing like staying at home for comfort. In this no article will be there. The same line will be written as it is. There is nothing like staying at home for comfort. Now 27th example is there. He likes to picture himself as original thinker. So which article will come? And it will come before original. So he likes to picture himself as an original thinker. 28th, it is never thankful office to offer advice. It is now 28th, it is never a thankful office to offer advice. It is never a thankful office to offer advice. Now 29th, umbrella is of no avail against thunderstorm. So what will be the answer? An umbrella is of no avail against the thunderstorm. Now 30th is I have not seen him since he was child. I have not seen him since he was child. So what will be the answer? I have not seen him since he was a child. For Brutus is honorable man. For Brutus is honorable man. So what will be the answer? For Brutus is an honorable man. For Brutus is an honorable man. Now 32nd example is Neil Armstrong was first man to walk on moon. Neil Armstrong was first man to walk on moon. Now what will be the answer? Neil Armstrong was the first man to walk on the moon. Now 33rd example, man has no more right to say uncivil thing than to act one. Man has no more right to say uncivil thing than to act one. Now what will be the answer? Man has no more right to say an uncivil thing. To say an uncivil thing than to act one. Now 34th example, we started late in afternoon. We started late in afternoon. What will be the answer? We started late in the afternoon. We started late in the afternoon. Next, it is a strange thing how little, in general, people know about sky. Now, what will be the answer? It is a strange thing how little, in general, people know about the sky. It is a strange thing how little, in general, people know about the sky. Now, scheme failed for want of support. What will be the answer? The scheme failed for want of support. The scheme failed for want of support. Now, next is tiger, animal equal to lion in size, is native of Asia. Tiger, animal equal to lion in size, is native of Asia. So what will be the answer? The tiger, an animal equal to the lion in size, is a native of Asia. The tiger, an animal equal to lion in size, is a native of Asia. Now 38th example is there. Time makes most enemies friends. Now what will be the answer? Time makes the most enemies friends. Now 39th example is my favorite flower is rose. So what will be the answer? My favorite flower is the rose. Mumbai is largest cotton textile center in country. What will be the answer? Mumbai is the largest cotton textile center in the country. Men are too often led astray by prejudice. It will remain same. No article. Only best quality is sold by us. What will be the answer? Only the best quality is sold by us. What kind of bird is that? It is also without article. It will be written same. Wild animals suffer when kept in captivity. Wild animals suffer when kept in captivity. It will also be written same. No article. May we have pleasure of your company. So what will be the answer? May we have the pleasure of your company. It was proudest moment of my life. It was the proudest moment of my life. Andamans are a group of islands in Bay of Bengal. The Andamans are a group of islands in the Bay of Bengal. The Andamans are a group of islands in the Bay of Bengal. Thank you.